So now in the last video, I used these LEDs in this jumper that heads to ground to show how a single pull, so this would be a pull right here, double throw. There's two positions that I can move it the way I wired it up. There's no other load to connect to other than these two. It's either connected to one or the other. We have a break before make. With this setup, we cannot light the two LEDs at the same time, and I believe that we cannot with this magnet base. You put them on doors, and when you open a door or window, you get these farther apart, then it switches state. So normally I believe they would be off until you open them. Then you could send power to like an alarm or something if need be, but you could also wire it up so that it's on when they are together. Maybe that's how you're monitoring it. And then when you open it up, it turns something off. So if it is on when you have them together, such as like that LED, then this would be the normally closed position. And if you spread them apart and it turns on, that one right there, that would be the normally open position. But now that we opened it up, we are not in the normal state once you remove the magnet. So now wiring it up is pretty simple. We have a COM right there, and it's already loose enough. But yeah, you just loosen it with the screw right there. There's a square-shaped plate, and there are little spots where the plate comes up. So we are going to put the blue jumper where there is COM and try to get it in there. I was aiming through the camera, but that was harder to aim. So there we go. I actually looked at it. And now you want to keep the square from twisting. But yeah, we simply twist it down, and there we go. It moved the jumper so it wasn't over there. And it's a little trickier to screw down while I'm filming this, but still not too bad right there. So I'm going to do that with the next two to these two LEDs. So now actually I inserted that blue wire the wrong direction. I swapped it. I stuck it up there, and it says, I know the light kind of washes it out, but it says COM there, normally closed there, and if I adjust the light right, we'd be able to read it a little better. But doesn't look like I'm going to be successful. And we got normally open there. So we got green right there, and that one is lit up because the magnets are together. If I move them apart, like opening a door or opening a window, now you can see the other LED turned on. That's the normally open, but this is not the normal spot. We have the magnet removed. When we have the magnets together, that is normal. So the middle one is normally closed. The outer one is normally open. So now, of course, you don't need two LEDs. If you have a door closed, you probably don't have any reason to power anything. So you can just not connect the normally closed pin to anything if that is what you desire. Then when you open up that door or whatever, set off an alarm by opening a window or a door, there you can see, you can send a signal to something if that is what you desire. Or you could do the opposite. So I'll rewire that one. That one's on. We just wire this one, and we could yank those off the board now if we are completely done. And so yeah, then you could have something on when a door's closed or whatever, and when it opens, these come apart. Then now it's off. So we just got the one LED we're controlling now, not the two. We have almost like a single pull, single throw switch. If when you switch it, it doesn't go to anything on one side. Hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, in any case, that's it. I might as well wire them back together to wrap this up for a final demonstration, I guess, right there. But yeah, that's about it. Last video I just showed the jumper. There's a lot of switches that have single pull, double throws, and like relays and stuff. There's all kinds of different single pull, double throw. In fact, the relays, there's a good chance that there's two of these. So they're not connected to each other. There's two poles. So like there's another pole over here, but it switches in the same direction that one is switching right there. So you can switch two circuits at the same time, but they can be completely separate circuits. You're just switching them at the same time. If it's double pull, double throw, each one has two positions that they could fall into, but they don't relate with each other. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't know if I have any diagrams for that. If I run across them, I'll probably make a video of that soon, but hopefully that makes sense just explaining it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I posted on the screen and check out the links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.